There is a lie that society sells you every single December, and it is designed to keep you weak. It is the lie of New Year, New Me. It is the belief that a date on a calendar can change your life. You wait for January 1st. You buy the gym membership. You write the list of resolutions. You tell everyone your plans. And by February 15th, statistically, 80% of you will have quit. You will be back in the matrix, exactly where you started. Why? Because you are relying on motivation, which is a feeling, instead of discipline, which is a command. The apex mindset does not wait for the calendar to turn. The strategist does not ask for permission to start. This video is not about New Year's resolutions. Those are for amateurs who need a party to feel inspired. This video is about the winter arc, a psychological protocol for disappearing, rebuilding, and dominating 2025. Today we will dissect why the winter is biologically the best time to build an empire while others are hibernating. We will analyze the neuroscience of the dopamine detox and why you must embrace the darkness and the cold. We will look at the ghost mode strategy, how to use strategic absence, Law 16, to increase your value by spring. And we will give you the exact blueprint to rewire your brain in 90 days, turning you into a machine before the sun comes out. By the end of this video, you will understand why you should not be celebrating the new year. You should be preparing for it. You will learn to love the isolation, because it is in the isolation that the monster is forged. To understand the winter arc, we must first look at the biology of the seasons. For thousands of years, winter was a time of survival. The weak died. The strong conserved energy and prepared. In the modern world, winter is a time of distraction. Parties, alcohol, shopping, comfort food, Netflix. Society wants you to be sedated. They want you to be fat, happy, and distracted by the lights. This creates an opportunity gap. While 99% of your competition is slowing down, you can speed up without resistance. While they are hungover on January 1st, you will already have 60 days of momentum. The first pillar of the winter arc is radical elimination. You cannot build a new self on top of a rotten foundation. You must clear the debris. This means cutting off the sources of cheap dopamine that have enslaved your brain all year. Video games, scrolling social media, pornography, junk food, gossip. These are chains. When you remove these stimulants, your brain will scream, it will panic, you will feel bored. This boredom is not a problem, it is the cure. Boredom is the state where creativity and drive are born. When your brain realizes it cannot get dopamine from a screen, it is forced to get dopamine from achievement. You start to crave hard work, because hard work becomes the only source of satisfaction. This is the dopamine reset. It turns the difficult things, reading, lifting, working, into the pleasurable things. But you must be ruthless. You cannot negotiate with an addiction. You must starve it. The second pillar is strategic isolation, or ghost mode. We discussed Law 16, use absence to increase respect. The winter arc is the ultimate application of this law. Stop going to every party. Stop answering every text instantly. Stop updating your status. Disappear. Step back into the shadows. Let people wonder where you went. Is he okay? Is he depressed? Why haven't we seen him? Let them talk. Their confusion is your camouflage. While they are speculating, you are evolving. There is a psychological power in secrecy. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. When you tell people your goals, your brain releases a premature hit of dopamine. You feel the satisfaction of the achievement before you have done the work. This kills your drive. I'm going to start a business in 2025. I'm going to get six-pack abs. The applause you get for the announcement satisfies the hunger that should have fueled the action. Stop announcing. Start executing. Move in silence. The only sound that should come from you is the sound of results hitting the table in 6 months. Imagine the shock on their faces when you re-emerge in the spring, unrecognizable. You are fitter. You are wealthier. You are sharper. And they never saw it coming. That shock is worth more than 1,000 likes on a New Year's Eve post. The third pillar is the monk mode protocol. This is a period of intense, singular focus. It is not about balance. Balance is for people who want to be average. Greatness requires obsession. For the next 90 days, you choose 3 non-negotiable tasks. One for your body, e.g., lift heavy weights 5 times a week. One for your mind, e.g., read 20 pages of strategy every day. One for your wealth, e.g., spend 2 hours deep working on a side hustle. These are not goals. Goals are wishes. These are standards. A standard is something you do whether you feel like it or not. It is who you are. If you miss a day, you have broken the promise to yourself. And if you cannot trust yourself, no one else will. The winter arc is about rebuilding your self-trust account. Every time you say you will do something and you do it, you make a deposit. Every time you hit the snooze button, you make a withdrawal. Most men are spiritually bankrupt because they have lied to themselves for decades. I'll start on Monday. I'll do it after the holidays. These are the lies of a loser. The winter arc requires you to embrace the cold, literally and metaphorically. Cold showers, early mornings, dark runs. The discomfort is the point. The Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." You are afraid of the cold because you have become too comfortable. Comfort is a slow death. When you voluntarily choose discomfort, you callous your mind. You become anti-fragile. The cold wakes you up. It reminds you that you are alive. It separates you from the herd. Let's analyze the shadow of the holidays, family dynamics. Christmas and Thanksgiving are often traps for regression. You go home and you revert to your child self. Your family knows the old you. They will try to put you back in that box. Oh, you're on a diet. Just have one piece of cake, don't be boring. You're starting a business. That sounds risky. Why not get a safe job? This is crab bucket mentality. They are not trying to hurt you. They are trying to keep you safe and mediocre. The winter arc protects you from this because you are in ghost mode. You do not engage. You do not argue. You do not explain your diet or your business. You just smile and say, "No thank you." You sit at the table like Thomas Shelby, observing, calm, detached. You are there physically, but mentally you are in the dojo. You are focused on the mission. Do not let the holiday spirit be an excuse for weakness. Gluttony, sloth, and intoxication are not celebration. They are forms of self-sabotage. You can celebrate after you have won. Why is 2025 so critical? Because the world is becoming more volatile. The economy, technology, AI, everything is moving faster. The gap between the elite and the masses is widening. If you waste the first 3 months of the year waking up, you are already behind. The winter arc is your preparation for war. While others are waiting for the ball to drop in Times Square, you are sharpening your blade. You are reading the books they are too lazy to read. You are lifting the weights they are too tired to lift. This creates a compound effect. A 1% improvement every day for 90 days does not result in a 90% increase. It results in a transformation. By March, you will be a different species. You will look at the people who are just starting their summer body diet and realize you are leagues ahead. But be warned, the winter arc is lonely. You will lose friends. People will stop inviting you out because you always say no to drinking. Let them go. The friends who require you to be weak to be around them are not friends. They are anchors. You are cutting the rope, you are ascending. As you climb the mountain, the air gets thinner and the crowd gets smaller. This is the price of the apex mindset. You cannot take everyone with you. So here is your contract for the rest of the winter. No alcohol. It is a depressant that steals your tomorrow for a few hours of happiness today. Wake up 1 hour earlier. Own the morning before the world creates chaos. Consume content that teaches, like this channel, not content that entertains. Move your body every single day until you sweat. Do not tell anyone you are doing this. If you post Day 1 of Winter Arc on Instagram, you have already failed. You are seeking validation. Seek validation from the mirror. Seek validation from the bank account. Let the results be the noise. The winter is dark. It is cold. It is unforgiving. But it is in the dark soil that the seed grows. You are planting the seeds of your future empire right now. Do not let the frost kill them. Do not let the distractions rot them. Protect your focus with your life. Because 2025 is coming, and it will not care about your excuses. It will ask you one question. Are you ready? If you embrace the winter arc, the answer will be yes. If you follow the herd, the answer will be maybe next year. And we both know that next year never comes. The time is now. The place is here. Turn off the lights, lock the door, enter the void. And when you come out, make sure the world has to introduce itself to you.